Welcome Filipino food lovers! My name is Joy, and with this channel, I want to share my love for Filipino food with you. I started cooking Filipino recipes when I was 12 years old to help my parents while working around the farm. Into this video, you will be making a delicious Filipino dessert known as mango float or crema de manga in Tagalog. A Filipino icebox cakes dessert made with layers of ladyfingers or graham crackers, whipped cream, condensed milk, and ripe Carabao mangoes. It is chilled for a few hours before serving. This dessert is delicious yet easy to make. Mango float is the easiest, most delicious no-bake dessert anyone can make at home. I recommend you to chill all-the-purpose cream in the fridge overnight. Cooling it will turn it into a thicker and solid form. It's essential to choose the right mangoes. I recommend you to smell the stem end of the mango. If you don't smell anything, then it's not suitable for mango float. The mangoes should be aromatic and fruity. This recipe should take you 30 minutes of total preparation time. For this recipe, you will need 2 cups of heavy cream, chilled, 4 tablespoons of condensed milk, 1 pack of graham crackers, 2 ripe mangoes sliced into cubes, 1 cup milk. Recipe steps. Pour the whipping cream into a medium-sized bowl. Use a handheld electric mixer or a stand mixer fitted with a whisk attachment. Whip the cream on medium speed for about 5 minutes. Gradually pour the condensed milk while mixing. Add more until you get the desired sweetness. Mix until well combined. Pour the milk into a bowl. Dip each graham in the milk. Then place them in a rectangle-shaped glass dish. I use a 10-inch dish for this recipe. Place enough graham crackers to form the first layer at the bottom of the dish. Next, evenly spread a cup of whipping cream on the top of your graham crackers. Then, put layers of diced mangoes on the top of the cream. Repeat by covering the mangoes. It's okay to cut the crackers to fit. Then, cover with another layer of cream and top with more mangoes. Flatten the layers. Add 1 more layers of graham and covered with cream. I like to add crushed graham for a final touch. Cover with plastic wrapped. You've now finished making your mango float. Before enjoying this delicious treat, freeze or chill it. Overnight freezing will result in a more ice cream cake-like, and chilling will result in a creamy, ready-to-eat cake out of the refrigerator. If you've enjoyed this recipe, subscribe for more delicious Filipino recipes. Thanks for watching and enjoy your mango float.